Got a little bit more work done today. Was able to remove the bracket in the back of the motor on the passenger side where the distributor gets connected to. I believe I just consider it a 9 spark plug. I don't know what it actually is, but yeah, that's what I call it. So I removed that, got the radiator off. That was pretty straightforward. There's 4 lines that you just have to disconnect, and then it pops right out. And then in front of that was the AC condenser. Just again, like the 1 line, pop that right out. That was pretty straightforward, nice and easy. Then I also got off the water pump. Getting the bolts off were fairly simple. They're placed vertically, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. And just those 4 bolts. Mine was on there pretty good, so ended up having to hit it with the rubber mallet, but popped right off after that, so it was nice and easy. The only thing I can recommend when doing something like this is make sure you're cataloging all your parts, taking notes. This way, like when it's time to flip that ratchet over and start putting things back on, you have everything organized. That's been very helpful for myself. I can go back and refer to my notes on what I did and everything this way. It's going to be nice and simple. If I get stuck, I can always kind of go back. I've obviously been videotaping the majority of this, so it makes it a lot easier to reference. You know what I mean? Well, listen, I appreciate all the comments. Love hearing them. I try to respond to everybody. And if you're doing a build yourself, love to hear it. It'd be pretty cool. And till then, be safe and have a good night.